Good afternoon.
Thank you in advance to my examiners and my supervisor and who have attended in my seminar proposal today. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Christina Dewi. I'm from class C, batch of 2021, majoring in English department, Lower University. So I am here today to present my research proposal entitled Exploring Self-Confidence in Speaking Skills Among English Foreign Language Students. Here's an overview or content of my PPT slides. First is introduction or the background of the study, and then problems, objectives, literary review include theory and previous studies, and methodology, references, and okay. So first is introduction or the background of the study. Nurmansah 2022 state that having self-confidence is essential for success since it enables individuals to have good self-image. Students with higher levels of self-confidence will have confidence of their skills and have no hesitation in expressing their thoughts and ideas. EFL students who acquire good enough vocabulary will be able to select the appropriate words and examples. So they can effectively speak English because they know how to pronounce language sounds easily. They also eliminate negative thoughts and fears, allowing them to talk without interruption. So the point is the lack of self-confidence among EFL students in speaking English causes difficulties in communicating and expressing themselves effectively in the language. So this research is to understanding EFL students' perspective on self-confidence in English speaking skills and identify factors that affect self-confidence in English speaking skills. So the student perspective is meant about the solution to improve the self-confidence in English speaking skills and also the importance according to their perspective. Okay? So here's my problems or the research question. First problem or the research question is what are EFL students' perspective about their self-confidence in English speaking skills? And the second problem is what are the factors that influence EFL students' self-confidence in English speaking skills? Okay, next is objective. So there are two my research objectives. First is explore the understanding of EFL students' perspective about their self-confidence in English speaking skills. And the second problem is to identify factors that influence EFL students in English speaking skills. Okay, so this is the literary review. There are three theories. First is self-confidence, and second speaking skills, and the last is the factors affecting self-confidence in speaking skills. So the first theory is self-confidence. Self-confidence is a person's attitude or belief in their own ability which allow them to act without too much anxiety, feel free to act as they wish, and take the responsibility for their actions. Lauster 2004. proficiency in the foreign language depends mostly on a person's ability to communicate. So speaking is the active use of language to communicate ideas in a way that others can comprehend. Okay, the next is, or the last is factors affecting self-confidence in speaking skills. So, first factor is, according to Readil, 2020, lack of vocabulary, grammatical errors, and mispronunciation errors. And the second factor, according to Haidara, 2016, lack of confidence, nervousness, feelings of indecision, and fear of making mistakes. And the last factor is, according to Devi, 2014, lack of interest, motivation, and encouragement. Okay, this is my previous studies. There are 3 previous studies I take in this research and proposal. The first previous study is from Ananda and Hastini, 2023, with the title research is the study of self-confidence impact of TEFL student speaking. State that self-confidence plays an important role to motivate students and improve their speaking skills. This study also found that because of confidence, self-confidence is influenced by various factors, such as fear of making mistakes and lack of vocabulary. And next is Mehdi and Nurhaini in 2020, with title is a qualitative study. Student self-confidence in speaking English. So this study found several factors that cause students lack of self-confidence, such as anxiety, feel shyness or feel embarrassed, and lack of vocabulary and fear of making mistakes. And the last is from Riyadil in 2020, with the title A Qualitative Study Investigating the FL Learners' Self-Confidence to Where the Represents in Speaking Ability, which found many FL learners or students who like and interest in speaking English, but they have a low self-confidence because they only communicate using English in English class. Also, this study emphasizes the need for the FL teachers to incorporate students' interest and perception to increase their confidence in speaking. Okay, next is methodology. So, my research design is qualitative, and the type of this research is qualitative, and my research design is phenomenological. And according to Padilla Diaz in 2015, this study will use thematic analysis the data analysis will use thematic analysis to analyze the data that will be collected through interviews in the form of transcript interview. So according to in 2006, thematic analysis is a method for qualitative analysis that is used to identify, analyze, and draw conclusions from data. So, to analyze the data, researcher will read the transcript to understand the data, and then to determine the cause and the last is validity of data. So the researcher will recheck the data from interviews or transcript by member check. According to Thomas in 2017, member checking is a way to confirm or correct errors and allow participants to omit information they wish not to be. This way helps eliminate the possibility of misrepresentation during the data analysis process and allow participants to modify or omit something mistake or something wrong if based on the answer. So the purpose of this member check is to provide validity and credibility to the data, based on the theory from Elo et al. In 2014. Okay? So, any questions? Any questions? Okay.
Okay, what is your sampling technique?
Oh yeah. So my sampling technique is convenience samplings. I use convenience samplings because the participant is. So we have already know each other, the participants, and yeah. So and easily to access by researchers, and the researchers is expected to provide more open and honest information.
Okay, can you finish for me, Spencer? Can you go to the first slide? I will go to the slide first. Despite from your research background, what you really want to research in your study or your research? Selain background studimu, apa sih yang benar-benar kau cari di benar-benar?
So as I mentioned earlier, is to exploring the understanding of student perspective about their self-confidence, whether it's the
tadi
Yeah.
self confidence gitu.